In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create self-supply bill in Younote Application. Starting from the home page, navigate to the Purchase module and select Supply Self-Bill. This page displays all your existing self-supply bills. To create a new bill, click the plus icon at the top right. Begin by filling in the supplier details. Simply select the supplier's name from the drop-down menu, and the application will auto-fill their contact information from the saved data, and you just need to add the reference number from your supplier's invoice. Next, scroll down to the Self-Bill Line section to add your products. Here you have two convenient options for product selection: Tile View and Line View. In Tile View, click the Add Product plus icon to access your product groups. Select the desired product, adjust the quantity using the plus icon, or directly input the amount, and make any necessary edits to the price or discount fields. Once done, click Add to include the product. In Line View, use the Add Line plus icon to open the product selection menu. Choose the product from the drop-down, modify the description if needed, enter the quantity, and adjust the unit price or discount as required. You can continue adding products or save your selections. Once all products are added, save the bill using the Save button. Your invoice will now appear in the Supply Self-Bill list. Review the details, and if everything is accurate, click Confirm to finalize it. Now let's try another method. From Purchase module, go to the All Suppliers page and select the supplier you're purchasing from. In the Quick Links section on the right, click Create Self-Bill. This method automatically fills in the supplier details, streamlining the process. From here, you can add product details and complete the bill creation, just like in the first method. With these two methods, managing your self-supply bill is both flexible and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and happy using Younote.